American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch. In this video, you are going to learn how to use American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. First, ensure your Nintendo Switch is powered on. Navigate to the Nintendo eShop on your Switch. You can find it on the home screen. Then sign into your Nintendo account if you are not already signed in. Sign into your account if you don't have one. You will need to create an account. In the eShop, look for an option to enter code or redeem code. This is usually found in the menu on the left side. After that, since the Nintendo eShop does not directly support American Express gift card, you can use your American Express gift card to purchase a Nintendo eShop card from a retailer. These cards come with a code that you can redeem on the shop. Use your controller to enter the code from the Nintendo eShop card you purchase. The code is typically a combination of letters and numbers. After entering the code, confirm the entry and proceed to redeem the code. The corresponding amount should be added to your Nintendo eShop. Once the code is successfully redeemed, the corresponding amount should be added to your Nintendo eShop account balance. While in the Nintendo eShop or within a specific game, you can use the balance to make in-game purchases. That's all. That's how you will be able to use American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch.